So we're going into BBQ 23 hot pot. BBQ 23. What do you think of this place? Well, what are you gonna pick? The pork bones soup base, and I picked the spicy base.
The sauce bar here at BBQ 23.
This is their appetizer bar. So you can see they have all kinds of different things. Chicken nuggets. Wow. What do you think of that? Pretty good sauce bar. Sauce bar. Alright, so we're here at BBQ 23 hot pot. I'm putting in the tongue hole. Break up the tongue hole. Put that in the pot. Then we'll put some of this meat in. With the back of the chopstick, we'll put the chicken in. And some of this pork. And we'll get that cooking here at BBQ 23 hot pot. Which is a pretty good assortment right now. You got a lot of stuff, plus the appetizer bar, which is also good. So overall, with this BBQ 23, the fish balls were tasty. The squid was fresh. The vegetables, yeah, they were fair. But the pumpkin was good. The squid was fresh and tasty, and the pot, it's a little small, but it's pretty tasty. So we got the pancakes, which was complimentary, which was pretty good actually. Wasn't bad. And the hot pot's going. Got the meat in there, and the vegetables, and the pumpkin is cooking. I'm gonna shake out the peppers. So that's what I'm gonna do with this. All right. So the hot pot's going pretty good already. There's the meat. There's the pancake that was included. And there's our meat selection, but we didn't get our vegetables yet. All right, so what do you think so far of BBQ 23? The meat's pretty good, right? The fatty lamb is pretty tasty. The chicken looks a little dry, but I think it tastes good. The vegetables, a little bland on the vegetables, but it's not too bad actually. Okay, we're here at BBQ 23. BBQ 23. Okay, we just left BBQ 23 in Wayne, New Jersey. It's the Happy Dragon. Yeah, BBQ 23 here. The Happy Dragon. It was pretty good. Everything was good and tasty, and the service was good. Okay, so we're leaving BBQ 23 for the grand opening, which runs until August 31st. So overall, our experience was pretty good at BBQ 23 today. Okay, so we had a pretty good meal. There was a lot to eat. The lamb was tasty.